I want to once more welcome you to the city. I want to assure you that you have the right environment to invest here. I want to assure you that what you are trying to do here today is aligned with our election manifesto, the Kenya Kwanza plan of creating more houses for the urban dwellers. We are saying here in Kenya, the future is urban, and we don't have enough houses. So the market is huge. The market is big. Please look around, put your dollars somewhere, sterling pound, and come here. And if you get stuck in one way or another, look for me. I'm an easy guy. I'm available 24/7. And that is a business I do for the president. My work is to unlock things that are not moving. If there is any challenge anywhere in this government, I'm the guy who unlocks everything and makes sure that things are smooth, and more so for people who come to invest here. If you want to be the friend of my boss, President William Ruto, just come and invest here and create only 10 jobs. The president will look for you and call you for tea. Anybody. So, anybody who creates employment here is our friend, because we have a huge problem in terms of unemployment. Again, as I've told you, we have a serious problem with housing. So you are in the right place, at the right time, in the right environment. The ball is in your court. This conference is late. It should have happened yesterday. With those few remarks, thank you very much. May God bless you. Asanteni sana.